Please imagine a future city where an entire building operates optimally and wraps around people, giving peace of mind and comfort. At Mitsubishi Electric Building Solutions, we are connecting multiple building systems into one, managing multiple buildings as one, solving our customers' building management challenges. In the management of a building, we need to oversee multiple types of equipment and the building, recently done by one person. If a single person has to monitor multiple types of equipment and buildings, they cannot grasp the operating rate and details using energy. Thus, energy can be wasted and the cost of energy will continuously increase. In fact, the security and the safety countermeasures need to correspond with manpower. There is a limit found in conventional management methods. These days, we need the labor saving and efficiency offered by a smart building. We can achieve work efficiency and labor saving by centrally managing various types of building equipment. This speeds up first response time to building management troubles, which helps to improve the safety and reliability of building management.
Building Management System, BMS, provides centralized monitoring and control over multiple building facilities and systems. BMS allows operators to control equipment operations and stoppages, monitor system operational statuses and malfunctions, visualize energy consumption, and much more.
We also offer services that allow use of buildings with safety and in comfort. Users proceed from the security gate to their destination floor by an optimal elevator. It's also possible to call an elevator from a mobile phone, reducing waiting time and ensuring smooth and comfortable movement within the building. Also, by integrating with the elevator, a robot can travel between floors.
Security systems use cards and barcodes, as well as facial recognition and contactless fingerprint authentication. These systems can be integrated with building and room access controls, as well as elevators.
Our solutions are transforming the future of building management and users of the building.